Good day, children. Today in this video, we will revise the poem The Merchant and the lesson Malala Yousafzai. Please have your notes with you while seeing this video. First, the poem. Answer these questions. What is the speaker asking his mother to do? What is the speaker asking his mother to do? An important point. He is saying to imagine. Imagine that the speaker is to travel into strange lands, the lands which we don't know, all are very strange, and that his boat is ready and waiting at the landing. Why is the speaker talking about champa flowers and harvest when he is talking about gold? So, champa flowers are bright yellow in color. And what about the grains? The grains that are ripe turn a golden color, which is also a bright yellow color. So, they are so beautiful to look at. He thinks they are comparable to gold. That's why he thinks that they are comparable to gold. Where does he plan to get the pearls? Describe the places where can he find them. He plans to get the pearls from the Pearl Island shore. He thinks that pearls tremble on the meadow flowers, drop on the grass and are scattered on the sand in spray by the sea waves. So what is he saying? He plans to get the pearls from Pearl Island. So he thinks there is a Pearl Island shore. So he plans to get pearls from Pearl Island shore. He thinks that pearls tremble on the meadow flowers, drop on the grass, that the pearls are dropped on the grass and are scattered on the sand in spray by the sea waves. Next, what is special about the pen the speaker will bring back for his father? What is the special pen, children? It is a magic pen that without his father's knowledge will write by itself. So the magic pen will write by itself. When father is saying something, the magic pen, even without holding, it will start writing. Next, what is the gift that the speaker wants to give his brother? Why do you think there are two of them? The speaker wants to give his brother 2 winged horses. Yes, he wants to give him 2 because he have a hope that his brother will invite him to fly with him in the sky among white clouds. What you will see in the sky? Where will you fly? In the sky. Where? What you will see in the sky? White clouds. So, he wants to give him 2 because he hopes that his brother will invite him to fly with him in the sky among the white clouds. Section B. There by the banks of golden streams, fields are full of golden harvest, and in the shade of the forest path, the golden champa flowers drop on the ground. So this is the phrase. Section B, this is the first phrase. Now, the question is, what is the speaker focused on in these lines? What is the speaker is focusing on in these lines? The speaker focuses on the marvelous gifts of nature and compares the value of all nature and beautiful things with gold. So he says that there by the banks of golden streams, he is saying that the river is looking like a golden stream. Yes, fields are full of golden harvest. All the grains and crops are looking like golden harvest. And in the shade of the forest path, the golden champa flowers drop on the ground. So everything he is comparing to gold. All the natural things are been compared to gold. So the speaker focuses on the marvelous gift of nature and compares the value of all nature and beautiful things with gold. Next, Do you think that the speaker considers these gifts to be as value as a gold? Yes, of course, yes. That's why he is comparing. Yes, he is valuing these all natural things to a gold. So, yes, the speaker thinks that these aspects of nature are as beautiful and valuable as a gold. Yes, next. What do these descriptions tell you about the speaker's opinion of nature? What do you think, children? The speaker seems to be a nature lover. That's why he's comparing all the nature to a gold. Yes, the speaker seems to be a nature lover and a great admirer of the bounties of nature. So, what is meant by bounties? Bounties means reward. Okay, reward of nature. Next phrase. My brother shall have a pair of horse with wings to fly among the clouds. For you, mother, I must have a casket and jewel that cost 7 kings their kingdom. What kind of person do you think the speaker's brother is? What kind of person the speaker's brother is? The speaker's brother seems to be a very adventurous person who enjoys physical activity. Yeah, he would also have to be very daring to enjoy ride in a flying horse. That is, even he is an adventurous person like this author, like the poet. He would also have to be very daring to enjoy riding in a flying horse. Yes, so he is also an adventurous person. Next, what do the words "for you, mother" tell you about the relationship between the speaker and his mother? What kind of relationship is that? The speaker has a very loving relationship with his mother. The key word is very loving relationship with his mother. Yes.